Alright everyone, we're testing the remote launch system. I used a old RC car receiver to send power to a model rocket igniter. Should work, but let's find out. We got 4 AA batteries for 6 volts. The old RC car little receiver thing, and then these wires come from the motor output on the ship going to the little model rocket motor. Have that dug into the ground so it doesn't go anywhere, because we're just testing right now anyways. There goes nothing. It fucking worked! Holy shit!
Yeah! Nice.
It worked! Wow! I have remote ignition for model rockets now.
Yeah!
Alright. Test successful.